Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm going to show you guys how to download iOS 13 on your iOS device so you guys can get all the newest updates. Currently I am running iOS 13.1.3, but if you don't have iOS 13 yet, sorry, if you don't have iOS 13 yet, you will need it because I have updated my phone so many times after iOS 13, but let's get into the video. So, I put the link in the description below. And you guys are going to go here and you're going to put your Apple ID and password in. So yeah. Okay, put your Apple ID and password in. It's gonna track you your device, so it knows that it's your device. Hit allow. Your verification code. So you might want to memorize this, or you can just write it down. So 358-719, 358-719, 358-719. Okay, now you're on beta.apple.com. So now you just blah 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 blah. Yeah. You agree? And now you're going to want to do enroll your iOS device. So you're going to want to install this profile, download profile. I'm going to allow it. Settings, profile, you install, put your password in, install this. Done. So now, I already installed iOS 13, but those of you who haven't, it's going to ask you to restart your phone. And once you restart your phone, you're going to go to settings. And you're going to go to general software update, and it should say download iOS 13. So I haven't updated this one. I probably should do that, but yeah, then it should say iOS 13, and yeah. So I hope this helped. If it did help, please like this video and comment for more. And thanks for all your help. Peace.